Driving from Abu Dhabi to Dubai was already a vibe. Endless highways and suddenly these massive skyscrapers just rise up from the desert. Dubai skyline really feels like something out of the future. The first one is a quick photo stop at the Dubai Marina, one of the most iconic waterfronts. It's modern, sleek, and every corner looks like it belongs on Instagram. Fun fact, this is the largest man-made marina in the world. Every corner looks like an Instagram postcard. Next, we drove to the Palm Jumeirah, the man-made island shaped like a palm tree. The luxury apartments here are insane. Imagine waking up to views like this. And then, there it was, the legendary Atlantis. You know you're in Dubai when your hotel looks like a palace from a fantasy film. Fun fact, this is the only hotel in the world that has underwater suites. And then we drove to Jumeirah Beach, which is one of the best beaches in Dubai, and the Burj Al Arab just casually sitting there in the backdrop. I'm currently in Jumeirah Beach, and apparently this is the best beach in Dubai. Then we hit the road again, and finally there it was, the Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in the world, and honestly, it really does take your breath away in person. We headed straight to the Dubai Mall, and it's massive. There's a spot in the center where you can see all the floors from here. Dubai Mall right now, and apparently this is where you can get another view of the Burj Khalifa. And then we had lunch at the Cheesecake Factory because I had to try it in Dubai. Huge portions and the food was top tier. I don't know if it was the hunger or just the vibe, but this hit. On the way out, we passed the Museum of the Future. I mean, just look at the architecture. No straight lines, just curves and calligraphy. It was so cool to look at. The tour continues, and we're gonna go to the cold souk and the spice souk. And to go there, we have to take the boat ride. So we've come to the Dubai Creek. And this is the boat we're going to take. We hopped on a traditional Abra boat to cross over to Old Dubai. It's such a contrast to the Walking through the gold and spice souks was a total sensory overload. Spices, lantern and gold everywhere. It's also where you really feel Dubai's cultural mix. Gold souk, and I'm off to see their biggest ever thing, and they actually hold the Guinness record for it. Walking further inside the gold souk, I can see so many Indian gold shops too, which was really surprising for me. Back on the boat, taking in the views one last time before heading back to Abu Dhabi. The day was packed, but honestly, so worth it. Would you also do a day trip from Abu Dhabi to Dubai? Let me know in the comments. That's it for the video today. I hope you guys enjoyed my 48 hours in the UAE. Please subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Cheers guys.